my stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then why the back and told my stupid heart? Too late, already on my way. If it Let's go! My stupid heart. Don't know, I tried to let you go so many times before. Then why the back and told my stupid heart? Too late, already on my way. If you hold down your friends, I'll get that new cup in my stupid heart. Heart, heart,
Voy a hablar en inglés. Ajá. Hello. Hello. How are you?
So I'm moving into a new house, and I figured out that the house I'm moving into literally came with a cat. There he is. We can go see him. Hello. Hello. Is your bowl empty? Oh. Hi. Oh my goodness. Oh. So this is him. He's really sweet. I initially thought it was a girl, but it's definitely a boy who has not been taken care of, if you know what I mean. But he's so sweet. I also originally thought that he possibly was just a really nice and very sociable feral cat, because he has obviously not been to a vet in a while. His ears are pretty torn up. He clearly hasn't been brushed in a while. And then I learned from a neighbor that this cat belonged to the people that lived in this house before me, and when they moved, they just left him. So he's mine now, no doubt about it. Oh my gosh, buddy. Anyway, he's mine now. I'm gonna take him to a vet and get him taken care of, because clearly he just has, he needs some vet care. And I've been feeding him and putting water out for him, and I put a little cat perch out here in this like doghouse chicken coop kind of thing that's in the backyard. But I need name suggestions. He's solid white, has a very fluffy, luxurious tail, and he has like golden yellow eyes, and he's very sweet. For name suggestions, I don't know if this will help, but I have a dog and a cat already. My dog's name is Remy. It's short for Remington. She came with the name. It's probably not a name I would have picked out, but I actually really like it. And my cat's name is Finn, and I just need a name for this beautiful guy. And to the person that left this cat here, I hope your AC goes out this summer. I hope every side of your pillow is hot all the time. I hope your phone charger only works at a certain angle. Kick rocks, eat sand.
If you think your cat's being extra affectionate in the morning is because they're hungry, you're wrong. Cats are naturally light sleepers because they need to stay alert for prey and predators. Since your cat thinks you are also a cat and live in their colony rent-free, they worry about you when you're completely knocked out throughout the night. So they check on you to make sure you're still alive, and they're very happy that you're able to wake up in the morning.
Cat versus Dino.
voy a hacerme la muerta, ¿vale? O que me desmayo en la piscina. Vamos a ver la reacción de Seth. Ay, mi amor, ya estás bien. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Ya. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, mi amor. Estoy bien, estoy bien. Estoy bien, cariño, estoy bien.
It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it.
Chọc con này nó.
Ball? Where? Ball where? Where? I don't know. What? I know you want it. I don't know where it is. Is it outside maybe? Hey, get your leash. Let's go. There's a lady outside with her pit bull, and she's talking shit. So I'm gonna get the mom, and you get her dog. You ready? You gonna get him?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Okay, let's put her back.
If you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place. If you're looking for trouble, just look right in my face. Charlie.
It's your new house. Come on, let's see. Do you like the... Oh!
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffles.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Forever young. Do you really want to live forever?
El suelo es lava.
Çak. Aferin. Pet. Çak. Aferin.